Come test drive the 2011 Prius. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: engine immobilizer, front-wheel drive, Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety rear door locks, front bucket seats. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort